2021 BMW 3 Series has taken advantage of our Ghost 2 and tracker with the year's subscription bundle. So with this, we've got the key here. If someone tried to steal this, pop it into gear, the vehicle cuts out straight away. So for the customer to drive this, it's really easy. You start the car like normal. Before you put it into gear, you're going to go through a push sequence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for our video. Wait for a double flash from the hazards. And now it's going to allow us to select a gear and drive the vehicle. When we turn the vehicle off, the system activates within 5 seconds, and if someone grabbed the key now, tried to steal the vehicle, as soon as they pop it into gear, it switches off. So with this system, you also get a tracker with 1 year's free subscription. So if the vehicle was to get stolen, say whilst in service mode, where the system's switched off for service reasons, or you've given someone the code you shouldn't have, you'll be able to locate the vehicle using the app and find where it is. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.